set you apart from the competition. Where every reel tells a story. Good day, everyone. Welcome to another exciting episode of The Real Talk. I'm your host, JP Medina, and today I'm with my amazing co-host, none other than Marky Lopez.
Yes, maraming salamat, JP. Siyempre, it's an honor to be here with all of you today. At siyempre, meron tayong makakasama ngayon na talaga namang isang tao na hinahangaan pagdating sa musika, passion at leadership.
Of course, that's correct, Marky. Definitely, ang kasama
Mm-mm.
natin today is none other than the President, the CEO of the Voice Academy of the Philippines.
Yes.
Excited ka na ba, Ma'am
Ako
Cha?
sobrang excited.
Actually, Marky, itong makikilala natin
Mm.
ngayon is actually a multi-talented artist, a coach,
Mm.
a mentor, and definitely hinahangaan ng maraming aspiring singer dito sa atin ngayon. Let's all give her a warm welcome, Miss Binky Reyes!
Ayan! Palakpakan naman! Ayan, Ma'am Binky Reyes.
Hi!
Hi,
Good
Miss
afternoon.
Binky! How are you?
I'm so honored to be
Oh,
part of this.
Ang ganda ng boss.
Ang ganda.
Yes. Kakasimula pa.
Di ba, pakilala pa lang yan?
Oo,
Di ba?
Pero paano pa kayo maririnig natin mamaya?
Correct.
no?
Baka mamaya mabigyan pa tayo ng example.
Ayun.
Of course, did you hear that? No?
Yeah,
Parang
oo.
boses pa lang, parang may something na ano na talaga, parang remarkable.
Mm-mm.
Siyempre, para maging CEO ka ng isang The Voice Academy of the Philippines.
Kailangan talaga marunong ka talaga kumanta.
At saka rinig na rinig agad. But
Oo.
anyway, Miss Binky, you know what? We're very happy to be here with you, of
Well,
course.
thank you so much. I'm really pleased to be part of this talk show.
Alright.
Wow.
Alam mo, talagang yung magsasalita siya talaga.
Oo.
Parang gusto niya
Mahinhin,
tayong
ano?
pagdiyan.
Oo.
But anyway, ito bang singing career na yon? This is something that you loved yung bata ka pa? Or this was just like, something that you've learned na lang along the way?
Well, actually, we were able to put up this music school because of the passion for music.
Okay.
So, deep love for music and a desire to share this passion to others.
Alright. So, ibig sabihin ito, bata ka pa na kumakanta ka na.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Actually,
Oh.
lahat kami sa family ay kumakanta. So, alam ko lahat ng tao ay alam ko magagaling kumanta. Hanggang sa, syempre mas exposed na ako sa mga kaklase ko dati.
Oo.
Alright.
Pero ano yun, ma'am? Lahat po ng pamilya nyo ay kumakanta o
Yes,
maawit?
lahat.
Okay.
So,
Ah.
lumaki kami na kumakanta yung mami ko, yung daddy ko, so lahat sila nasa tono. So, akala ko lahat ng tao marunong talagang kumanta.
Okay.
So, siyempre, nung lumalaki ka, namimit mo yung mga classmates mo. Sabi ko, ba't ang gaganda nito? Pero, parang iba yata ang tono, diba? So, parang,
Okay.
feeling ko, yung normal, yung marunong kumanta.
Mm-mm.
Diba? So, feeling ko, bakit ka ako hindi ganun katama yung tono niya, diba?
Mm-mm.
Kasi, kami, para mas mahon yung aming music skills, we were asked by our parents to be part of the choir, no? Church choir. Kasi, lagi nang sinasabi ng mami ko, singing is twice to pray. So, it's better to serve the Lord and bring back the glory to Him. So, yun yung aming na-inculcate sa isip namin. So,
Alright.
even if I was in college already,
Okay.
at bago pa ako graduate, pero, nung first year ako doon, dalawa yung music clubs na kailangan pagpilian mo, liturgical choir or glee club.
Okay.
So, fortunately, nakapasa ako sa pareho, pero mas pinili ko yung liturgical choir.
Okay.
Siyempre,
okay.
para mas nakaka-serve sa church, ganyan.
I
So, pag
see.
may mass, so, yun. And we were so blessed kasi we were given the opportunity to be trained by mga expert talaga sa music.
Okay.
Diba? And being said that, naging outstanding club kami for 4 consistent year sa
Tagal, oo.
sa Miriam. So kaya yung mga natutunan ko doon, yun yung gusto kong i-share, and at the same time mas pinalawak pa namin yun.
Wow. So,
Sabi niya kasi, Marky, na
Oo.
parang buong family nila can sing. Ito ba ay
Kumakanta, oo.
namamana or this is something that you can learn?
Actually both.
Okay.
No? Kasi
okay.
kung sanay yung tenga mo na nakakarinig ng maayos na nota, napapakinggan mo na maganda,
Mhm.
so na-i-imbibe mo yung yung ear for music,
Alright.
'di ba? So, and at the same time, kailangan kung meron ka ng talento na gano'n, kailangan mo i-enhance, i-reinforce. So, kailangan mo mag-aral para malaman mo kung tama ba yung ginagawa mo. Kasi kung hindi ka mag-aaral, hindi mo alam kung paano ba tama bang huminga. Parang kumbaga sa piano,
Mm.
nagwi-widow ka lang. Kung tatama lang yung nota, di okay. Kung hindi.
Yeah.
Oo.
Pero ang ginawa kasi namin, since kami marunong na kami kumanta, inaral naming mabuti. Saan ba talaga dapat huminga? Sa bibig ba? Sa ilong? Ano ba tinatawag na diaphragmatic breathing?
Alright.
So, inaral namin lahat yun. And at the same time, dahil nga inaral namin yun, gusto namin i-share din yun sa iba. Kasi marunong, ah, aminin natin, lahat ng Pilipino, majority of which are talagang magagaling kumanta. Primarily because of our culture. Kasi
Mm.
tayo, pag malungkot, kakanta ka lang, may karaoke ka lang, may
Oo.
microphone, masaya na lahat.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
constant practice kasi, di ba, makes perfect. So,
Mm-mm.
I see.
if you keep on singing, yung mga mali mong nota, kasi sa karaoke, alam mo kung babagsak ka o
Oo,
hindi.
oo.
Yes.
So, meron kang indication kung sablay ba yung boses mo o hindi.
Yes. Siyempre ma'am, from being a singer, no, paano naman po tayo napunta sa pagiging coach or mentor? Ano po
Yeah.
paano po kayo nagsimula na maging coach?
Okay. When we put up Voice Academy,
Mm.
syempre, I've got some friends from other music school, like, nasa Repertory Philippines and all, no? So, syempre, sila yung nagtuturo nun sa
Mm.
Voice Academy. Sabi ko, bakit parang masaya yata na nagtuturo, no?
Mm.
Hindi lang ikaw yung kumakanta. And at the same time, nakita ko yung alam mo yung thirst for learning.
Mm.
So, parang inisip ko, bakit siya nakakapagturo? Marunong niya kumanta. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-aral ako sa UP.
Mm.
Nag-aral ako kay Maestro Ryan Kevia. I had the opportunity to be trained by the Philippine Jazz Society President. Para yung mga matututunan ko, yun yung magiging hugot ko para maturuan ko pa rin yung mga mahihilig kumanta at yung meron talagang desire na matuto talagang
Mm.
kumanta.
Willing talaga.
Yes.
Of course, Miss Vicky, no? So, syempre talaga namang, when you said you were actually born to become a singer, talagang in-embody mo to. And of course, you created something like an academy wherein you can train people how to learn singing properly, di
That's
ba?
right.
So, ibig ba sabihin ito, Miss Binky, like, if you're not a good singer, if you cannot sing that well, pwede kang matuto. There's a
That's right.
chance, okay?
That's right.
And I heard na hindi lang itong Voice Academy nag-o-offer ng voice lesson. You also offer like
Instrument
guitar,
courses,
instrumental, of course, violin, guitar, and aside from that, I think meron ka rin parang,
recording services.
oh yeah, of course. So pwede rin silang mag-enroll to that class. So paano mo na-achieve no from having a voice lesson academy, nagkaroon ka ngayon ng ibang offer for the young individuals?
Well, actually, kasi pagka kasi kumakanta ka, di ba? You already have the ear for music. So, mas maganda kasi kung meron ka ng ear for music and then you're going to um, convert it into a beautiful background, having you to play the musical instrument like the guitar or the piano, 'di ba? Iba yung dating na kumakanta ka, you can sing what you can play, 'di ba?
Alright.
So, pagka ganun kasi hindi mo kailangan ng -1. Hindi mo kailangan ng ibang tao para makakanta ka kasi you can play, 'di ba? So, ang maganda doon kasi pagka nagpe-play ka, dalawa yung napa-practice mo. Yung voice mo and at the same time your skills in playing the musical instrument. So with that, I was able to ask some of the expert in the field of music, yung magagaling talagang magpiano, magagaling talagang tumugtog ng gitara, yan. So to help me out, be part of this team, 'di ba? So luckily and syempre we are just so blessed na marami kaming naging estudyante na talagang mas gumaling silang kumanta because they can play already a musical instrument.
Siyempre Ma'am Vicky, maraming tao ang curious, how do you guide your students para mag-succeed in such a competitive industry?
Well, that's a very good question, no? Sa ganitong industry kasi, kailangan hindi ka lang magaling. Dapat you have a good attitude, no? Kasi pagka well-grounded ka, tapos you're ready to absorb yung 'di ba yung thirst for learning sinasabi ko sa inyo, mas magtatagal ka sa industriya, 'di ba? Hindi ka kasi puwede na na-recognize ka lang dahil magaling ka, tapos iba na yung
Tingin mo sa sarili mo.
yeah. So pagka gano'n hindi ka tatagal, 'di ba? So lagi naming sinasabi, you have to keep your feet grounded. Maging maganda kang halimbawa sa mga susunod na henerasyon, 'di ba? Na magaling kang kumanta, magaling ka sa iyong field, no? At napakabait mo dapat sa lahat ng tao na nakakasalimuha mo, lalong-lalo na sa mga crew,
Yeah.
'di ba? Kailangan maging maging open ka for learning, gano'n.
So parang
So
Kaya
you just don't teach
oo.
them how to sing well. You also teach them to value other people as
that's
Yes.
well.
right.
Parang the attitude matters as
It
well.
really matters. And of course, the discipline.
Yeah.
I
Kaya
see.
Yeah.
talaga namang tumagal ka sa industriya, Mark.
Naku, maraming salamat.
Oo. Hindi, kasi nakita ko kay Ma'am Vicky, talaga namang kahit CEO na siya, kahit may-ari na siya ng company, talaga namang napaka-humble at very down to earth
Thank you
naman.
po. Thank you, Lord.
Oo,
You know,
sobrang
yung the mere fact that you also encourage your students to be grounded, ano, malaking factor yun. Kasi yung talent and skills nawawala, pero yung personality to
It lasts.
tumatata.
Yeah,
yeah,
it lasts.
exactly.
Oo.
Talagang tumatagal talaga. Kasi pwede mawala yung voice mo after so many times na mag-train ka. But
Yes.
you know what, having said that, kasi parang nakita ko talaga when I'm trying to browse your social media accounts, ang daming success stories ng mga naging student ng The
Oh,
Voice
thank you,
Academy.
Lord.
Can you
Yeah.
tell us more about that? Meron ba tayong pwedeng ma-highlight na naging successful na isang estudyante ng The Voice Academy?
Well, marami kaming mga estudyante that they started to be shy in the beginning, but they end up to be very confident performer, 'di ba? Because ang mga bata kasi na ito, they are exposed in mall shows, concerts, and they are also asked to perform sa hotel during awards night, ganyan. So, dahil dito sa experience na to, when they join a singing competition, like the Voice Kids, one of our students who end up as the semi-finalist for the Voice Kids Season 5, si Princess J,
Oh.
naalala niya yung ano yung pakiramdam na kumanta sa big crowd. Dahil sanay na siya, hindi na siya nahiya. So, and marami kami mga naging estudyante na recording artist na rin. And some of them, mga kumakanta na sa hotel.
TV.
Some of them, sa TV, mga recording artist. Meron din kami mga naging estudyante na kumakanta na sa cruise. O, di ba? So,
Ano yun, ma'am,
nakakatuwa.
naturuan nyo talaga siya ng yung ano yung
Yeah, yung mga vocal
proper,
techniques
oo.
kasi na tinuturo
Oo.
namin, kung ano man yung natutunan namin, no? Kasi kailangan kasi nila malaman na kailangan pagka kumakanta ka, dapat maganda yung diction mo, pronunciation mo, the intonation, di ba? The dynamics, the softness and loudness of one's voice. Kasi ang pagkanta kasi hindi lang tonal quality. You have to have a thickness and depth, kapal at lalim ng boses para magkaroon ka ng voice quality. Kailangan din meron kang brilliance. Diba? You should know how to resonate
Correct.
para hindi masakit yun sa tenga yung boses.
Yeah.
So, lahat yung tinuturo namin.
Kat-
So, hindi naman, actually, hindi lang, it's a misconception na ang Voice Academy is only available para sa mga magaling kumanta or mag-play ng musical instruments. We also have students, a Jesuit from Ateneo, na gusto niyang matuto mag-project ng voice kasi ayaw na niyang magle-lecture siya sa mga klase na gumagamit ang microphone. So because we were able to teach them how to project their voice using their diaphragmatic breathing,
Yeah.
so hindi na niya kailangan mag-microphone and it's very convenient.
Actually, Marky, one thing na nagustuhan ko sa services nila, kasi they also do parang training even if you're not physically present sa
Oo.
kanilang
That's
studio.
right.
So they have international students. They have also,
Yes.
like for example, kasi since the Voice Academy is located here in Marikina, it doesn't, avoid them for having a client from Visayas and Mindanao.
Oo.
It's actually
O
possible.
kumbaga yung parang sinasabi kasi ni Ma'am Vicky is kahit hindi ka pumunta dito mismo sa studio,
Physically
kaya pa
present.
rin nilang magturo.
Yun yung for me is
Oo.
very impressive because
Oo.
the idea na nga na present ka with the instructor or the coach is so hard na. How much more if you are on the other side?
Oo, kasi
For example, parang Zoom lang to.
Oo,
It's
Zoom.
tricky, right?
Other side of the screen. Right?
Correct. Yeah. How do you manage that?
Well,
Oo.
actually, it was a challenge
Yeah.
nung nagsimula kami. Pero God is really good kasi nung pandemic, 'di ba? Walang physical interaction, no? So,
Okay.
una, nag-struggle kami because of the internet connection, yung mga
Alright.
technicalities and all. Pero nung majority of the students have been calling us online,
Mhm.
we were swamped with queries
Correct.
kasi gusto nila na mag-aral ng voice pero hindi nga kami pwedeng magbigay ng face-to-face. So, ang ginawa namin, we tried doing virtual training.
Alright.
So, wala naman naging problema because tinuturo naman namin eh. Hindi mo
Mm.
naman kailangan makita na personal, no? So
Alright.
malalaman namin, maririnig namin. And it takes a lot of expertise to do that. Kasi pag pakinggan mo, uy, teka muna, you sound nasal. Diba? You
Mm.
don't use your nose. So you open your mouth a little bit more. Contract your
Alright.
diaphragm. So, dinidescribe namin.
Mm.
'Di ba? Di-describe mo eh. Oh, you dilate your eyes when you feel you're happy or
Mm.
something like that. So i-describe mo na lang kasi you cannot touch them eh.
Correct,
Mm.
'Di
physically,
ba?
because you're really
Physically.
not
Mm.
So
face to
hindi mo
face.
pwede. So ang gagawin namin, we move back. Oh, this is how you do it. So pinapakita namin.
Pero ma'am, hindi ba siya mas mahirap kaysa sa yung actual?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Kasi naririnig naman namin yung boses nila eh. We've got
Ah.
students from Las Vegas,
Mm.
California, Oakland, New Zealand, UK, and Hong Kong. Mayroon din kami mga naging student. Akala nga namin dati mga bata lang ang
Oo,
mag-enroll.
oo.
Alam nyo, surprisingly, most of the students na nagkaroon kami during pandemic are actually mga
Okay
frontliners.
lang.
Mm.
Okay.
Pero ang maganda doon,
Actually, the good thing there
oo.
is apart from the idea na si Miss Binky can also offer,
Mm.
kasi parang for me, you mentioned about pandemic, di ba?
That's right.
Mm.
So, if I'm not mistaken, you are running this business for how many years now?
26 years.
26
Wow.
years. So,
26.
you know, I always tell this to you, Marky, parang
Mm.
in every adversity, there's an opportunity.
Opportunity.
So,
That's
it's a
right.
blessing in
Yes.
disguise na nagkaroon ng pandemic. For some, it's a problem. But for
Mm.
the Voice Academy, that's an opportunity. Because
Oo.
you were forced to train and coach people nang hindi face-to-face.
And the
Mm.
good thing about it, we were able to help them alleviate their depression,
Mm.
their
Yeah, oo, kasi ang
anxiety.
daming problemado nung time na
Oo.
yun, di
Kasi
ba?
yung boredom, 'di ba? Grabe
Correct.
talaga 'yun. And grabe yung yung inquiries namin noon. Talagang
Mm.
alam niyo ba na kami ng mga coaches namin, ang pahinga na lang namin doon is magpunta ng restroom eh. Kasi
Talaga?
sunod-sunod
Sobrang
talaga yung klase.
dami.
Kasi
Oo.
one-on-one eh.
Mm.
One-on-one yung training. And yung nabanggit ko kanina, ang mga nag-aaral sa amin, nurse, medtech.
Wow.
And there was one time sa Sydney, Australia, medyo madilim-dilim pero 4 o'clock pa lang in the afternoon doon.
Alright.
Sabi ko, kasi may message kami, Coach, can I have a training? I have 2 hours off. Parang ganyan, or break. So parang,
Adjustment.
nung tinatanong ko, break mo na, ba't hindi ka na matulog? Bakit gusto mo pa
Oo.
mag-voice lesson?
Mm.
Sabi niya kasi, syempre, I'm away from home, mas malungkot ako. Parang, iba yung pakiramdam ko na ang nakakausap ko Pilipino, and at the
Alright.
same time, nahuhon yung talent ko. So, we were able to bring hope and happiness to every individual who's been affected with this
And
pandemic.
alam mo yun yung
Oo.
magical for kasi
Totoo.
the management has a core value and
Mm.
you can really feel pagka medyo maganda yung personality ng owners kasi
Oo.
parang you know it became a profitable business to you but it was also a leap of faith for others na talagang sobrang bored na bored during the pandemic
Oo.
days.
Pero
We
That's right.
salute
ang
you
ano
for
to
that.
kasi ang daming magagandang kwento, ma'am, eh. Pero ma'am, about that 'no, what's the next for you and the Voice Academy, ma'am?
Well, actually, since we are offering the services
Mm.
globally, 'di ba? Marami kaming mga estudyante na nag-aaral not only sa overseas, we
Mm.
also have students sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas, no? So, we are actually thinking of producing a solo singing competition
Hmm.
for this individual. Pwede siya kasing virtual,
Hmm.
and some of them can also join yung face-to-face or yung ginagawa namin ngayon na campus-wide singing competition. So, para mas marami kaming mainganya ng mga bata na mas magandang kumanta, mag-improve sa iyong talent kaysa sa screen time, 'di ba?
Oo.
More on computers, more on barkada. So, we want them to be productive, we want them to be more confident because singing is actually bonus lang. Ang
Mm.
ang talagang goal ng Voice Academy is for us to be able to impart how is it like to be confident on stage. Kasi pag confident ka, pag may hanap buhay ka na, kahit saan ka
Oo.
iba to, kayang-kaya
Kaya
mo.
mong tumayo, eh,
Yes.
oo.
Of course, Miss Binky, no, talagang believe na believe ako dun sa inyong technical aspect ng
Oo.
pagtuturo sa inyong
Thank
mga
you.
students. But of course, I'm sure the Voice Academy is also, you know, run by a very, very, you know, masipag na VP
Yeah,
marketing,
energetic.
energetic, at talagang siya yung I'm sure nag-assess ng bawat student ng the Voice
Oo.
Academy.
That's
So,
right.
let's all welcome and give her the floor,
Miss
Miss Lynette
Lynette Bistal!
Bistal!
Ayan! Hello, Miss
Of
Lynette.
course.
Hi,
A little
hello,
trivia
good
before,
afternoon.
yes, a little trivia
Yeah.
before si Miss
Mm-mm.
Lynette magsalita about the Voice Academy.
Yes.
Do you notice they have the almost the same voice?
Oh, the same voice, the same
Yeah.
face, the same hair,
Yeah.
the same
Talaga
clothes.
ba? Well, yes, same color.
Oo.
But not the same size.
Yeah.
Of course. Miss Lynette, Miss
Oo.
is the
Yes.
VP Marketing for the Voice
That's
That's
Academy.
right.
And they are
Yes.
sisters.
Yes.
Yes.
Miss Lynette, tell us about the Voice Academy.
Okay. Actually, the Voice Academy of the Philippines, we are offering sessions for voice lessons, guitar lessons, drum lessons, and like in instruments actually.
Of course, Miss Lynette, as the VP for Marketing, do you have any activities right now na ina-execute natin within the area?
That's right. Okay, Sir JB and Sir Marky, we are actually offering, we have an ongoing campus-wide solo singing competition.
Oh, really?
Yes. So, doon namin lalong dinidiscover yung mga magagaling kumanta sa bawat school.
Na like,
Diba?
you go school by school.
That's
Yeah.
right.
That's
School
in
to
within
school,
Metro
yeah.
Manila or
Within Metro Manila, yes.
And
Marikina,
nearby,
Rizal.
yeah, nearby cities.
Dito lang din.
Sa
That's
may-
right. Malapit
Oo.
lang dito. Para madali rin silang
Makapunta.
makapasyal dito sa
Oo.
ating Voice Academy studio. And ginagawa namin, kaya kami pumupunta sa mga schools na yan kasi dinidiscover namin yung kanilang inner gustong kumanta, yung magaling kumanta.
Yung raw
diba?
talents, di ba?
Yes, the raw talents para lalo silang mahoning skills nila.
Pero after po na manalo sila sa competition, ano po yung mga susunod na pwedeng mangyari sa kanila? Inahasa niyo ba? Meron ba kayong libreng
special program
Oo,
for them or
session.
scholarship?
Well, that's a
like that?
very good question.
That's
di ba?
right.
Oo.
So,
Yes, Miss Binky will answer that.
yeah, actually, we usually ask the students to have their training here at the Voice Academy of the Philippines instead of them enrolling in a formal training yet. Kasi syempre yung mga tao, subukan nga natin muna.
Ah,
Diba? So, we're giving them a contest training, ang tawag namin doon.
contest
That's right.
2
training.
sessions
Okay.
for only 1,000 pesos.
O, diba?
Just
Sobrang-
imagine 2 sessions, 4 hours training
Yeah.
for
Very-
only 1,000 pesos
And normally that's 2,500. So
per
we're just-
hour.
That's a
Yes.
normal rate.
Yeah,
That's
the
right,
rate
that's
is
our
2.5 per
Mhm.
hour, but we're only charging. Just imagine per hour is 2.5.
Yeah.
If you're going to compute it from 4 hours, and that's how much.
Yeah, 10,000.
And we're only asking the student to pay 10% of the
That's
actual
why it's
rate.
1,000.
That is all
right.
1,000.
Oh, wow.
So sa 1,000 pesos na yon, they get to learn how to sing, they get to learn how to dance, to
And
do the modeling.
yes.
So yun yung production number. Kasi bakit namin ginagawa bibigyan ng libreng training for the modeling and dancing? Kasi during the contest proper, usually kasi yung mga bata nininervo sila.
Mm.
Pag nakita agad yung crowd, uy,
Oo.
take up nasa ng mami ko hinahanap.
Mm.
Pero pagka opening number, marami sila. Siyempre, mas malakas ang
Mawawala
loob nila.
yung
Yes.
kaba.
Diba?
Yes.
Sumayaw na sila. Diba? Pinalakpakan na sila. Nakita na nila yung
So
crowd.
parang na-feel na nila yung stage
Yes.
muna.
So nawala na yung kaba nila.
Yes.
So by the time they get to sing their solo number, confident na sila.
Right.
Okay, so since meron kayong mga activities na ganyan and you have promo ongoing right now, this is your opportunity to invite our viewers right now. I'm sure ang dami nanonood na mga parents
Marami.
ngayon.
Oo.
Oh, thank you.
Are you
right.
open to what age ba? Of course, you can actually invite everyone. who's
Mhm.
At
watching
saka
right
baka
now.
chance nyo na to na mas marami mag-enroll dito sa The Voice Academy.
That's right.
Wow.
So we are inviting everyone to come and visit us here at the Voice Academy of the Philippines, third floor, the Site Plaza, St. Mary's Avenue, Provident Village, Marikina. And you could also contact us at 0917-725-0557 or 0920-925
952-8231.
952-8231.
At syempre maraming salamat Miss Binky and Miss Lynette. Ayan, for sharing your amazing journey. Tunay po kayo talagang inspirasyon.
Naku, maraming
Yes.
salamat. Oo. And
Thank
syempre, kailangan namin ma-inform ang lahat ng mga nanonood that if you are going to call the number that we just mentioned, yung 0920-952-8231, or mag-PM kayo sa Voice Academy of the Philippines page, you will be getting a 1,000 pesos gift certificate.
Oh,
Wow.
Yeah, at the Voice Academy of the Philippines, and you will be trained for free.
Wow, di
Okay.
ba?
Nice.
So,
Oo.
minsan lang yan, bibihira lang.
Oh,
Before
bihira lang yun.
dahil ginest nyo kami dito,
You can
meron kayong
use,
libre.
Yes!
Ah!
Kaya naman enroll na kayo talaga
Okay.
naman.
Right.
So,
Oo.
mga nanonood namin mga viewers right now, use the promo code #TheRealTalk.
Yes. So,
Right.
gamitin
That's
nyo
right.
lang yung code na yan. Talaga namang may libre kayong.
Voice
Voice
lesson.
Academy.
Di ba?
Yes.
We would like to remind everyone that the Voice Academy of the Philippines is not only a music school,
Where dreams are nurtured.
and talents are cultivated.
Alright, I so
Yes.
love that. Talaga
Ganda,
naman, Marquez. So
oo.
anyway, I would like to remind everyone, lahat na nanonood sa atin ng the Real Talk, of
Mhm.
course, meron tayong special promo na ongoing right now
Totoo.
with
That's
the
right.
Voice Academy. So, remind ko lang kayo, if you would like to enroll and inquire with the Voice Academy of the Philippines, you can just simply key in #The Real Talk with VAP.
That's
And
right.
Yes.
what
That's
will
right.
they get from that?
They will be getting a 1,000 pesos worth of training at the Voice Academy of the Philippines.
And that is a free training.
Yeah.
Wow! Kaya naman
Talaga
talagang enroll na kayo.
Of course, talagang worth it na worth it pag naging student ka ng the Voice Academy of the Philippines. Of
Mm.
course, to our viewers right now, don't forget to follow us and catch the latest episode because you've been watching The Real Talk.
Where every news tells a story.
Good afternoon. My name is Jinwan Samanda. I'm 9 years old from Rodriguez, Rizal. Before I started training here, I didn't know any techniques or dynamics, like a lot of stuff about singing. When I started training here, I knew how to put down my dynamics. I knew a lot of techniques and I improved a lot. And I started winning some singing contests, which is very amazing. And I would like to thank the Voice Academy of the Philippines because of that. And I would like to thank the head coach and CEO of the Voice Academy of the Philippines, Coach Binky Rias, for helping me to sing and even dance and conquer my fear to stand on stage.
Hi, my name is Sofia Clarin and I am 18 years old. So my experience in the Voice Academy of the Philippines has been quite eventful. At first, I really didn't like it. Like the idea of joining a voice lesson wasn't really my forte. But in the end, I did like it. And what I can say is I'm really thankful for Coach Binky that she was able to bring out more in me, meaning my talent, skills, and enhance my confidence when on stage. So, in short, this has been quite an eventful and lovely journey, and I would really recommend it to other people. And that's all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Princess J, 14 years old from Teresa, Rizal. So I'm a semi-finalist of The Voice Kids Season 5 under Camp Kawayan, and my experience here at the Voice Academy of the Philippines has been so good and so fun as well. So when I first started joining here, I just know a little of techniques, but when I joined this and have the opportunity for Coach Binky to coach me, I've known a lot of techniques. For example, is head voice, mixed voice, falsetto, and even the dynamics. So yes, it's been so fun and so entertaining as well. And not only did I improve in my singing abilities, and also she pushed me to be a dancer as well and to perform on large stages. So thank you so much, Coach Binky Sarahan Reyes, and you should also try to visit the Voice Academy of the Philippines.
Hey guys, my name is JJ Isa. I'm a singer, songwriter, and dancer. And I'm 14 years old and I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada. My experience here in the Voice Academy of the Philippines has been so special. Coach Binky has taught me so many things and helped me improve. And I feel that I'm truly blessed to be here.
looking out of time, looking for a better place. Something's on my mind, always in my headspace. But I know someday I'll make it out of here, even if it takes all night, all of 100 years. Need a place to hide, but I can't find one. They wanna feel alive outside. I can't find my fear. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it lovely? Heart made of glass, my mind left stone. Time made of pieces, skin and bone. Hello, welcome home. Left a good job in the city, working for the men every night and day. And I never lost 1 minute of sleep, 'cause I was worried about the way that things might have been. Big wheels keep on turning, proud that we keep on burning, rolling, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. Clean a lot of police in Memphis. I bumped a lot of train down in New Orleans, but I never saw one good side of the city until I hitched a ride on the river of Queen. Big wheel keep on turning, round that we keep on burning, rolling, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river, rolling, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. Oh, that's a good job in the city, and I'm working for the men every night and day. And I never lost 1 minute of sleep, 'cause I was worried about the way that things might have been. Big wheel keep on turning, round that we keep on burning, rolling, rolling, rolling on the river, rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Clean a lot of places in Memphis, and they bumped a lot of trains on New Orleans. But I never saw the good side of the city until I hitched a ride on the river of Queen. Big wheel keep on turning, round that we keep on burning, rolling, rolling, rolling on the river, rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. If you come down to the river, I bet you wanna find telling people live. You don't have to worry if we got money. People on the river, oh, how do you get it? Big people keep on turning, round but we keep on burning. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Toot, 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 toot. binubulong ang aking puso. Sa tuwing kita'y nakikita, ang damdamin ko ay sumasayaw. Pigilan ko man ay hindi ko magawa. Anong lakas pa ang aking kailangan para masabi ko ang aking nararamdaman? Ngunit tadhana'y sadyang hindi ko maiwasan. Sa piling ng iba, ikaw ay masisinayan. Hanggang dito na lang, nadarama ko'y di mapakita. Hayaan na ba na makita ka sa piling ng iba? Puso ko'y nagdudurog sa tuwing kasama mo siya. Ang limutin ka'y masakit na alaala. Pilitin ko man ako'y masasaktan. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y handang magparaya. Kung yan ang paraan para ikaw ay lumigaya, maghihintay ako pag ikaw ay di naluha. Hanggang dito na lang, nadarama ko'y di mapakita. Hayaan na ba na makita ka sa piling ng iba? Puso ko'y nagdudurog sa tuwing kasama mo siya. Ang limutin ka'y masakit na alaala. Hanggang dito na lang, nadarama ko'y di mapakita. Hayaan na ba na makita ka sa piling ng iba? Puso ko'y nagdudurog sa tuwing kasama mo siya. Ang limutin ka'y masakit na
Huwag mong itibigin sing.